Hello friends, myself Surinder Mohandeep. Today in this video I will discuss another rule to find oblique asymptotes of a rational curve. Before watching this video I will suggest you to watch my previous videos asymptotes part 1 and asymptotes part 2 whose links are given in the description box. So let us start with the topic. Rule to find oblique asymptote of a rational curve. Let the equation of the curve is x raised to power n fn y over x plus x raised to power n minus 1 fn minus 1 y over x plus and so on plus x f1 y over x plus f naught y over x equal to 0. This is the equation of the rational curve where fn y over x is a polynomial of degree n in y over x. Similarly, fn minus 1 will be a polynomial of degree n minus 1 and so on. Now the step first is find fnm and fn minus 1m etc. by putting x equal to 1 and y equal to m. That is, in this equation we put x equal to 1, y equal to m, find fnm. In this, put x equal to 1, y equal to m, find fn minus 1m, etc. Then find all the real roots of fnm equal to 0. Put this fnm equal to 0 and find real roots of this equation fnm equal to 0. If m star is non-repeating root of fnm equal to 0, suppose m star is non-repeating root of this equation, then the corresponding value of c is given by c times fn dash m plus fn minus 1m equal to 0. C times derivative of nth degree plus fn minus 1m equal to 0, provided this first derivative of fn dash m first derivative of fnm must not be equal to 0. Otherwise, if this is 0, then there is no asymptote for this particular value of m. Further, if m star is double root, twice a root of fnm equal to 0, then the value of c is given by c square divided by 2 factorial into double derivative of fnm plus c times single derivative of fn minus 1m plus fn minus 2m equal to 0, where this double derivative is non-zero. Example 1. Find oblique asymptotes of the curve x cube minus 5x square y plus 8x y square minus 4y cube plus x square minus 3xy plus 2y square minus 7 equal to 0. Note that this is a curve of degree 3 because the maximum degree is 3 in this curve. X cube 3 degree, x square into y 3 degree, x y square 3 degree, y cube 3 degree. So this is f3. Put in this x equal to 1, y equal to m. So f3m equal to 1 minus 5 plus 8m square minus 4m cube. Now we use trial method. We put m equal to 1, we get 0. If we take m equal to 1, we get here 0. So dividing by m minus 1, and we get the quadratic, and the roots of that equation is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So means there is a single non-repeating value and two values are repeating here. So we find f3 dash m. This is minus 5 plus 16m minus 12m square. Then its double derivative 16 minus 24m. Then f2m means second degree. Second degree, these three terms are containing second degree. So this is 1 minus 3m plus 2m square. Its derivative is 4m minus 3. f1m is not, there is no term containing single x or y. So f1m equals to 0. Now for m equal to 1, m equal to 1 is non-repeating value. So we put here c into f3 dash 1 plus f2 1 equal to 0. Put m equal to 1, n equal to 3. We get c equals to minus f2m upon f3m. Put m equal to 1 here and we get the value of c is 0. So for m equal to 1, c equals to 0. But m equal to 1 by 2 is the repeating value. So we use this formula. C square over 2 factorial f3 double derivative m is 1 by 2 here plus c f2 single derivative 1 by 2 here plus f1 1 by 2 equal to 0. So after calculating we get c is 0 or 1 by 2. Now putting these values in y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to mx plus c. So first asymptote is y equal to x, means x minus y equal to 0. And other two asymptotes are x minus 2y equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So these are three oblique asymptotes of this curve. Let us check geometrically. The equation of the curve is x cube minus 5 x square y plus 8xy square minus 4y cube plus x square minus 3xy plus 2y square minus 7 equal to 0. This is the graph of this curve. Now x minus y equal to 0, x minus y. So this is the line, this line is asymptote to this curve. X equal to y means x minus y equal to 0. So as we move towards infinity, this line is going closer and closer to this curve. Similarly, the next asymptote is x minus 2y equal to 0. So this blue line x minus 2y equal to 0. Look, as we go in towards infinity and infinity, this line, blue line, is getting closer and closer to this branch of the curve. Then third, x minus 2y plus 1 equal to. So this green line, again see, this is again asymptote because this green line is getting closer and closer to this branch of the curve. So these are three oblique asymptotes to the given curve. So with this, I think the oblique asymptotes is clear to you. Thank you.